everyone, my name is Katie and today I'll be taking you through the IBM Cognos TM1 version 10.1.1 installation during the first video in our Arcogent Intelligence series. So start off by browsing to the location of the installation media. This folder might be in an archive you downloaded or on a physical DVD. Then go into the folder Win32. If you're installing the 64-bit version, this folder will be called Win64. Then run the setup executable called issetup.exe. If you don't already have the chart controls for .NET Framework 3.5, you'll likely receive this system message. So let's go download those now. You will need to install .NET Framework 3.5 Service Pack 1 first, but this comes with Windows 7 and Windows 8. You will also need the C++ 2005 Service Pack 1 Redistributable. A full list of prerequisites for TM1 is below in our video description. The chart controls can be downloaded from Microsoft's site. The instructions are pretty straightforward here. Choose the correct download and click Next. Then click Run, and then click Run again. Select Next, agree to the license terms, and hit Next again. Then select Finish to complete the download. So once that is installed, you can start the TM1 installation again. Select the language you want. English is the default. Then read the license agreement and accept. I read the whole thing already. Select the install location. The default is fine. Then click Yes to create the folder. Now you get to pick the components to install. Now you really should select everything. By default, Cognos Insight and Performance Modeler aren't installed, so you should change that. They can be found under TM1 Client Tier and Developer Tier, respectively. The application tier installs the server aspects of TM1. We're going to keep them selected here, and they will run on this machine in a standalone setup. Normally, you would install these components on a physical server and then have clients just install the client components and connect to TM1 that way. By the way, in version 10 of TM1, the 64-bit and 32-bit installations both include the client components, which are 32-bit only. Previously, you had to install the 64-bit server and 32-bit clients in separate packages, so now it's a bit easier. The Web Application tier installs the web parts of TM1. This includes TM1 applications, a web contributor client, and components designed to facilitate the web version of TM1. You should keep this selected as it is needed for some integration with Cognos Insight, Performance Modeler, and Cognos, if you have that as well. The client tier installs Perspectives, the Excel-based version of TM1, as well as Cognos Insight, an intuitive new reporting tool that integrates with Cognos. The developer tier installs Architect, the classic standalone TM1 client, as well as Performance Modeler, a new web-based development platform. You should also select to install the samples included in the installation because they can be very helpful to new developers that are learning to use TM1. Once that's done, review all the components you've selected and click Next to begin the installation. I won't make you watch the entire installation here. That's it. When the installation is done, click Finish. So let's check to see if TM1 has been properly installed. Go to Start and select Programs and go down to IBM Cognos TM1 and select Architect. And there's TM1 ready to be opened. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out our next one where we show you how to set up a new server in TM1. Thanks for watching!